In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your very own beautiful website within minutes for free with the Website Builder by SalesVu and use it to sell your products and services using your Square account. You can browse different templates directly on the Website Builder homepage by your industry or just view all. You can quickly preview the template to decide if it fits your needs or start editing it immediately. On the website, you can upload your company logo, add your products and services, add your page's content, images, and even custom new pages. You can make any changes necessary to create a website exactly as you like it. You can publish a website with your own domain or use a SalesVu powered domain for free. The website is fully compatible with smartphones and tablets automatically. Once published, your customers can browse your content and purchase products and services. All credit card charges will be processed with your existing Square account and will come through to your Square point of sale instantly. If you have any questions about the website builder or the integration with Square, please reach out to us by phone, chat, or email. We'll be happy to help you.